from the Redneck Garage. It is hot as a fox in a forest fire, I promise you that. I'm out here contemplating a new project, besides the other projects that I still haven't finished. I got called the other day from Warner Music in Nashville, and they have an artist, Devin Dawson, who's doing a video about a truck. And he drove a truck here to Nashville from California, where he's from, and the truck's got some issues and they want to use it in the video. So they reached out to me and asked, hey, Redneck Garage, Idiot in Franklin, do you think you can work on his truck and get it running for this video in a short amount of time? And I said, you know what, I think I can, but I don't know what's wrong with it. And they said, well, you can talk to him, you'll probably have to go and look at it. So Randy and I are about to head up to Nashville to take a look at Devin's truck and see if the Redneck Garage can give him a hand to get this thing used in a video. Devin is a super talented singer-songwriter. I've heard about him before. When I was coming back from Charlotte the other day in baggage claim at the airport, this was the sign that was up, and there's his picture. Randy's here! Had to pick him up at his house. Look at him. What are you doing? We're going up to Nashville.
Yeah.
I thought if we're going to go see an artist, I better take the world's greatest sound engineer with me.
What?
The world's greatest sound engineer is going with me.
I don't know what time it is.
Oh, right, okay. He can't hear. So we're taking the big beast van up there. It is really hot out here. It's sweltering. I mowed the grass earlier, but had to take some breaks in between, otherwise I would have had a heart attack. We're headed to Nastyville. You got a mask?
Do I need one?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, I mean, I don't know if we'll need it, but in Nashville you got to have one.
That's true.
There's downtown Nashville. Ain't nothing going on. No music, no bars, no Broadway. Social distancing, that's what the sign said. Lord have mercy. We made it up here. It was a harrowing ride with Randy being the co-pilot. It was scary. What's up?
What's going on, man?
How are you, sir?
I'm okay. How are you guys?
Oh, I like that. That's a custom clean.
Yeah, I don't want to clean it. She doesn't like it, but I do.
Did you get on into him about it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all right. Well, this is a fine Chevy.
Yeah. It's old, but it's got character.
The window get broken?
Oh, yeah, somebody messed it up.
Oh, man.
Well, actually, before we moved here, we didn't live together. We weren't married at the time. And
Yeah.
I parked it at her house, and I would go on tour all the time. And I came back one time, and somebody had busted open the window, and there was nothing to steal. So
Need a hand?
I'm not.
Oh, I got it.
I'm still convinced it was one of the neighbors that was just mad that I was parked there. But glad I did. But I'm just trying to clean it out a little bit before y'all tear into it.
Yeah, today's just like the
Preliminary.
take a look at it
Yeah.
and yeah.
So essentially, before it stopped running, essentially it just would overheat. It was because it was a leak in the radiator, I'm guessing, or a pipe or something.
Okay.
But
so
I would
that's
just,
minor.
yeah, I would just put in like antifreeze every day, and then it would just like,
You can drive it.
yeah. But then
Okay.
it got to a point where I was putting in like half a bottle a day, which is like $10 a
So
day.
it was
just
running
to
out
drive.
pretty good. So
Yeah.
it probably needs to
By
be-
the end, I was like, all right, there's no way I'm driving this.
Yeah.
Because that and the battery are the only things I would assume that it needs. You gotta start listening. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, I think we can help you out with this.
Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. I hope there's nothing else that you guys find. So yeah, so I was gonna say, what's your story? What do you do?
Locksmith.
Oh, okay. But you do this kind of pleasure on the side sort of thing, and have a YouTube channel for it?
Yeah, mostly I started out just doing Jeeps, Redneck Garage, and then I've done a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Haven't we?
He's the do-it-yourselfer.
And Randy.
That's perfect for this job, man.
And Randy is the come over and drink a beer and say, how come you're not done kind of guy.
Yeah, I'm the boomhauer that comes over there.
Sit in the seat and yell at him.
Right.
We all need one, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until y'all tell me you need something. You know what I mean?
Well, I think we're pretty much done today.
Do you need to take it, or what do you want to do?
Yeah, I'm gonna have her. I'm gonna get with her and tell her, hey, let's tow it to my house.
Okay.
And then I won't wash it.
Yes, please don't.
We'll leave the mold on the lights.
That looks
Yeah.
like it's been underwater.
Yeah.
Let it be, please.
Yeah. Won't have to touch that. I'll get you a window and
Don't even take the leaves away.
probably needs a battery, right? It's been sitting for a while dead.
Battery, I don't know if it's a radiator or if it's a hose, but if it got worse over time, you know, it could be either one.
Yeah, but it doesn't sound like it's a head or anything.
No, but everything else seems to be seems to be real good.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah, so I'm excited to get it running again, man.
Wow, that looks cleaner than
Oh,
my
that
daughter's
oil
car.
is clean.
I told you, man. I took care of her
Yeah.
until
Just
I didn't.
Until you did. Until you're like, oh well. And it looks like it probably used a new belt.
Yeah, actually, I forgot. Yeah, the last time I took it, and he said you don't need one now, but eventually you will.
Yeah, it's been
Serpentine?
sitting. Yeah, it's been sitting a while. Probably just throw one on it while we got the radiator out. Looks good. Okay, cool. There we go, downtown Nashville. We're here to back to Franklin. What do you think, Rand?
Yep, I'm ready for a nap.
He's ready for a nap. Albert's here. He's a pretty dang good driver, I'll tell you that. But he's got the truck, and he's gonna put it in the redneck driveway for us to look at why it's leak-rating. Albert's gonna see if he can get a window for it. All right, so Albert got her up here from Nashville. We got to get a window because this is kind of funky. Get a battery in it and find out where this coolant leak is so he can get this thing drivable to do his video. How super cool is that? I think Devin's ready to have his truck back on the road and maybe get it detailed. Keep watching. Let's figure out what's wrong with this thing. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.